Hey everyone, this is Chris from Bókun, and today I'm going to discuss SEO. I'll talk about what it is and why it's important for your tours and activities business. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's a set of actions that you can perform to improve your site's position in organic search results in search engines. When discussing this topic, we're typically talking about Google, as they see about 90% of the overall search volume. SEO helps you tell search engines that you have the right answer to the search query, or more plainly, that you have the best content based on the keywords entered by the searcher. A search engine results page, like Google's for example, has a few different placements for results. SEO is focused on the organic search results found here, not the paid results you'll see in these sections, or even the local results for certain types of searches. The reason that SEO is so important is that it can be a main driver of traffic to your website. And if you can convert that traffic, then it can be a huge driver of sales for your business. It's estimated that Google sees about 6 billion searches per day. About 70% of the clicks from those searches land on the top 3 results, making ranking high incredibly important. The investments that you make in SEO can provide returns over the long term. While paid advertising is a great way to get immediate top placements and results, the traffic goes away once those ad dollars stop being spent. Also, 70 to 80% of searchers ignore ads and focus on organic search results. Data has shown that the quality of leads from SEO is often much higher than other sources, and that ranking high in search results improves consumers' brand perception. Therefore, with SEO, you'll be able to generate more consistent traffic over the long term when you can rank highly for specific keyword phrases. And if you're able to convert that traffic, you'll have a steady stream of new customers for your business.